What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley.
Snape,
Ron,
Hermione.
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron, Ron,
Severus
Hermione.
Snape.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, ooh, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, yeah, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, ooh, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, that's me.
Snape,
Harry,
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 Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Snape.
Harry
Hermione.
Potter, I'm Harry
Hermione.
Potter, I'm Harry
Hermione.
Potter, Harry Potter, singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
Thank you so much for watching that. We had a ton of fun making it. As we mentioned in the description, all credit for the original song and video goes to the Potter Puppet Pals. If you're new here, you should probably subscribe because this fall, we are cramming all 8 Harry Potter films into a 2-minute-ish video. Can't wait to see you then.